All right, guys, so here we are at room 65. Gonna give you a little room tour of the aft balcony. This is a day 2 room tour, so it is definitely lived in. If you've never been on a cruise before, when you walk in, on the back of the door, it gives you all your information about where you currently are and where you need to go for your emergency muster station. So we are E3. So this is our muster station on floor 6, and this is where it's located in the Blush restaurant. So we would take these stairs, because if it's emergency, the elevators will be shut down. Take the stairs, go down 3 floors, and that's where we'll be. So that's how you find your muster station. Now I'm gonna do a real quick pass over this couch, because I said we lived here. So couch, told you it's gonna be quick, because I ain't gonna be talking about this in the comments. And then we have our snacks. We have our closets space, nice section. This right here is the mat that they have on your bed that you put your luggage on it, open it up so you won't mess whatever you rode, your luggage or whatever happened to your luggage, you won't get your bed dirty. So it's laid out flat. You put your luggage on there. And if you like to empty out your luggage, you have the closet space for it. If you like to live out your luggage, that works too. Normally we live out our luggage, but this is the first time I decided, you know what, I want to put my stuff up. So I went first, and my husband was like, well, I'll put my stuff up too. So that's where we have it. So he just got his jammies in this section. So yep, that is that. So what's this? 1, 2, 3, 4 shelf space, and you have a mirror so you can so you can get a good view of what you're looking like before you walk out. Then this one is where my stuff is for the most part. Clothes, some done fell off the hanger. Well, really just what I'm wearing to the all white thing fell off the hanger. Should probably pick it up so it can stay all white, but we'll see. Up here have shoes, swim shoes, my fancy shoes for all the special dining we plan on doing. I'm over heels. I have bad hips, bad knees. Heels are done for, but I got these cute flats. Then I have 2 sun hats, and this is the box to my power supply without a surge protector. That's what you need for cruising. No surge protector. And then this little carry-on suitcase is what we bring. I always bring a carry-on normally, because just in case you buy stuff, you'll have room. Oh, and here real quick, I'm going to interrupt that explanation. Show you this is normally where your life jackets are held. If you need more, you call your room stewardess and tell them, hey, I need more. This is my husband's clothes and my luggage. The rest of his luggage is on the couch where I did a quick look, and I ain't going back over there because that ain't your business. So, like I said, the little carry-on luggage I usually bring, so in case we buy stuff while we're out and about, we can have a place to store it. Because normally you pack up everything to the brink, and then when you finally get to where you're going, you buy more stuff, and now you need to find room. And in worst case scenarios, you end up buying new luggage. So that's how I play it normally. But this time we used it for snacks. So we have a couple chips, giant bag of, what's the thing, gummy worm sour, and variety pack of candies. The good kind, I ain't want nothing that we wasn't gonna eat. And drop bins. Now this is our first time using these drop bins. So we wanted to go with a flavor that we know should be good. And thinking about it in hindsight, we probably should have went with a more adventurous flavor, because you get lemonade for free on the boat. But hey, you live and you learn. So then also here is the bed. This pink pillow does not come with the room, but everywhere I go, I have a satin pillowcase, because I don't like sleeping in bonnets and stuff and tying my hair down. Sometimes you just want to take a nap. So I just have a satin pillowcase. This is a little animal. What y'all think this is? Comment below what you think this is. I don't know what it is. So whatever the majority say, that's what I'm gonna go with. So also have our snacks, our stuff in the safe. That is cheesecake from our first night dinner at the steakhouse. Then next, we are going to the balcony. So as you can see, this is a nice balcony with some seating. But then when you turn around, there's a whole nother half of balcony. Like the door, if you're out here, try your best not to open this door the same time the front door is open, because it creates a little whirlpool inside. Badgers you. It's here, and we have all this balcony, so you get an out view. You all the way in the back. This is our view in the morning. Clouds, everything. This is our balcony. There's a little balcony on this side, and there's another big balcony on this side. But this way you can do whatever you want to do, grown up things, sunbathing things, whatever, and can't nobody see you. You don't have to worry about nobody actually peeking over. Now mind you, there's a little ledge, so if somebody turn around and look over, they just being a creep on purpose. They ain't no accidental, they being creeps. So yeah, that is the room tour. The bathrooms look like all the bathrooms look. It's not really that extravagant, and again, we lived in it, so everything is put up, and it ain't really our business at this point. So thank you for watching this video, this tour of aft extended balcony. I am your girl Sierra. This is the McCullough Stay Tripping, and please, please, please like, subscribe, and smash that like button. Oh, one more tip before I go.